Turret redemption lines active. Please do not engage with turrets heading towards redemption. Turret redemption lines are not rides. Please exit the turret redemption line.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get mad. Don't make lemonade. Prometheus was punished by the gods for giving the gift of knowledge to man. He was cast into the bowels of the earth and pecked by birds. Target acquired.
No can do.
Target acquired. Target acquired.
I got bullets here. Anybody got bullets? Well, gave it everything I could. Can't ask for more than that.
Target acquired. Target acquired.
Template. Response. Template. Response.
Yeah, like fantastic.
Template. Response. Template. Response.
Yeah. No. Whoa. Oh, thank God. You saved my bacon, pal. Where we go? Is this a jailbreak?
Response.
Can't say a thing.
Template. Response.
Oh, brilliant, you made it through. Well done.
Template.
Follow me, you're gonna love this.
Response.
Almost there. Ta-da! Only the turret control center. Thank you very much.
No.
See that scanner out there, right? It's deciding which turrets to keep and which to toss, and it's using that master turret there as a template. Now, if we pull out the template turret, it'll shut down the whole production line. Right, I'm gonna have to hack the door so that we can get at it. Technical, you'll need to turn around while I do this. Turn around!
Response.
I'll only be a second, if you wouldn't mind. Done! Hacked!
Template.
Okay, go on, just pull that turret out.
Response.
Yeah, what? I can't say a thing. What just happened? Better open fire.
Response.
Let me begin, Judge. You're asking the wrong turn.
Well,
Template.
that should do it.
Response. Template.
Oh, brilliant! That's brilliant!
New template accepted.
If we're lucky, she won't find out all her turrets are crap until it's too late. Classic. Okay, keep your eye on the turret line. I'm gonna go and hack the door open.
Response.
So we're all...
Okay, I'm about to start hacking. It's a little bit more complicated than it looked from your side. It should take about 10 minutes.
Response.
Keep one eye on the door. This door's actually pretty complicated. No! How long's the door been open? I mean, was there any sort of announcement before it opened? Like a buzzer or an alarm of some kind? Or like a hacker alert? I mean, you know, fair enough, the important thing is it's open, but just mention in the future. Cough or something.
Template.
Alright, now, she can't use her turrets, so let's go and take care of that neurotoxin generator as well. Bring your daughter to work day. That did not end well. And 40 potato batteries. Embarrassing. I mean, I realise they're children, but still, you know, low-hanging fruit and all that. Barely science, really, is it? Baking soda volcano. Well, you know, at least it's not a potato battery, I'll give it that, but it's not terrifically original, is it? You know what I mean? Not exactly primary research, even within the child sciences. I'm pretty sure we're going the right way, just to reassure you. Don't worry, I'm absolutely guaranteeing you 100% that it's this way. No, it's not this way. Okay, let's try this way. I knew we were going the right way. This is the neurotoxin generator. Bit bigger than I expected. Not going to be able to just, push it over. Have to apply some cleverness. There's some sort of control room up at the top, so let's go and investigate. There's our handiwork. I shouldn't laugh, really. They do feel pain, of a sort. It's all simulated, but really enough for them, I suppose. I'm afraid the door's locked. Just check. What are you doing? We don't know what that button. Oh, the door's open. Well done. Let's see what's inside. Good news. I can use this equipment to shut down the neurotoxin system. It is, however, password protected. Alarm bells. No, don't worry. All right, not a problem for me. You may as well have a little rest, actually, while I work on it. Okay. Here we go. Do you smell neurotoxin? Hold up, the neurotoxin levels are going down. It's still going down. Still going. Keep it up. That did it! Neurotoxin at 0%! Yes! Hold on.
Warning. Neurotoxin pressure has reached dangerously unlethal levels.